This is Awbrey Butte at its finest. With nearly an acre, over 3,900 square feet of thoughtfully designed space and views that truly set this home apart. Let's go inside and take a look. The main living area is warm and inviting, centered around a beautiful fireplace. The kitchen offers custom workspaces, generous storage, and a layout that just feels right the moment you walk in. The primary suite is a retreat on its own with radiant heated floors, a wood-burning fireplace, and a private deck overlooking the mountains. The lower level is ideal for guests or extended living, and an elevator connects every level for added ease. This home embodies indoor and outdoor living at its finest, with a fire pit, peaceful water feature, mature landscaping, and a sunken hot tub. Picture your mornings here. Coffee on the deck, the Cascades at sunrise. This is more than a home, it's a lifestyle. Call today to schedule your private tour.